Hey guys, it's Debra from Timelessjewelbydebra. Today we are opening up a ThredUp 15-piece box of mixed jewelry. This is from a Mechanicsburg. I'm not sure the date I ordered it. I did start putting the dates received on the outside label so I could mix the boxes up a little bit. But I had only started that like in late March, early April maybe. So I am not sure. Let's see when I ordered this. Okay, this is February of 2022. So been sitting here for a while. I know I still have some boxes from like December or November. So, all right. So let's see. This is Mechanicsburg. Get the box out of the way. Bring you guys down. And let's see what goodies we got. All right. So what I'll do is take everything out and we'll go through piece by piece. But it looks like we got some bracelets, some necklaces. We got, I don't know. And that's a pretty silver tone. All right. So let's take this out and we will go through piece by piece. I'll be right back. All right. So we got everything laid out. This is a pretty good mix. I like different designs and different styles. We have a faker among us, which is too bad. I had my hopes up high when I saw it, but nope. So we'll get to that one. All right, so the first piece is this gorgeous gold tone, new with tag J. Crew. And this looks like a faceted, it looks like a golf ball, right? It's a faceted station necklace. It is 34 inches, and it has really pretty little rhinestones there, and it looks like all of the stones are there, and they are sort of a green with an aurora borealis to them. So for this J. Crew, let's do 12. Okay, then we have a faux tortoiseshell lucite necklace. There's no maker's mark on this. I checked every link to make sure. And this is the back. This measures in at 16 inches, so this would be a true collar necklace. For this one, let's do 6 on that. All right, then we got a House of Harlow gold tone with black design. I think it reminds me of Art Deco a little bit. These feel like leather. So they're inset. There you go. You can see that. Inset leather. This is what the back looks like. So I guess you could wear it both ways. Here is the House of Harlow tag. It is an H and an H. There we go. It's really pretty. And this one is about 17 3/4 inches long. So you could use an extender on it. For the House of Harlow, let's do 8. This is cute. This is definitely made by somebody. There's a sign here. I'm not sure what this says. I'm not positive. But this is really pretty. It's a metal. It's made to look like, kind of like an amylite. And on the back, it is signed right there. And I could not find any information on this. I think it says ANU. And it's on a gold tone bail. And it is over 20 inches long. It is very pretty. Let's do this handcrafted shell theme for 8. Okay. Then we've got this fantastic gold tone crystal cut stone necklace. Okay, so these are really beautiful. Beautiful faceted glass. And these are gray. I'm going to bring them up so you can see. There we go. These are faceted glass beads. And I love it. You can make it whatever length you would like. It is tied there. So you can wear it high or you can wear it low. You may even be able to triple it or quadruple it depending on your neck. But is that not fantastic? So for this adjustable, let's do 10. Okay, then we got stainless steel design. I think this is a paparazzi piece. It is not marked or anything. And I wear a 7. This is what it looks like on me. So it is very comfortable. So I would say a 7 or below. So for the paparazzi piece, let's just do 4. Then we've got an adjustable Alex and Ani. This one I really like. There's not many Alex and Ani bracelets that I do like. This has glass beads, and this one's in great condition. It's adjustable. So for this Alex and Ani, let's do 5. Okay. Oh, no, let's do this bracelet. So this is a 5-row rhinestone 5-row rhinestone bracelet. You can see it's got a pretty good stretch to it. I wear the 7 and it fits me. Oh, it's really pretty. I would say maybe a 6 3/4 or under would be best if you don't want any of this elastic showing. All of the stones are there. That's like a miracle in itself, right? So for this one, it's gorgeous. Let's do that for 8. Love it. Okay, then we got a teeny tiny Jewel Mint, JEWELMINT, glass ring. It's gold tone. This is how it goes. And let me see. Let's get the ring sizer. It's pretty small. It is, okay, it's a size 6. So it's got a hammered finish, a large faceted glass piece. Now I'm wondering. Let me test it again on the gem tester. All right. And it is showing up as glass. So that is, it's pretty. For this ring, Jewel Mint, let's do $4. Okay. Then we got these lovely earrings. I don't know who they are by, but they're fantastic. So we've got clear rhinestones and like a peridot color limestone, and then rhinestone, and then the Kelly green. Flip it over. Here's the back. So they are very flowy. Looks like all of the stones are there. So for these earrings, let's do 6. All right. Then we got these gorgeous J. Crew earrings. Love the blues, the purples, and the sea foams. Here is the back. They are an antiqued brass tone. These are lovely. Let's do 8 on those. All right, then we have a pair of Kate Spade earrings. They are like a burgundy with a beige and clear. Show you that. Nice large size hoop. Let me get you the measurement on that hoop. Those are lovely. So they measure at 2 1/4 inches total length on those. But boy, are those pretty. So for the Kate Spades, let's do 12. Then we got a pair of KC, and it's marked KC, and then next to it has the same kind of like little circle with like a CZ in it. Let's see if I can point that out. It may not show. Right there, it's marked KC, and right there, it's like a little gemstone. So these are like a very light gold wash with a, I would say probably enamel. And it kind of reminds me of lemon curd. And they're hoop earrings. I did test them. They are not any particular metal. So for these, for the KCs, let's do 5 on these hoops. Pretty. All right. Then we got the Faker. I was so excited to see the I can't even talk, Pavoy earrings. So if I can get this back out. I knew once I really looked at the back, it said 14 karat white gold, but then it says earring cuff studs. Well, the earrings that came in here are definitely not earring cuff studs, and they are nowhere near white gold. So I did test them and they tested as just a base metal. So this is a silver tone, long stud. They are super cute, but they are definitely not this brand. So this box is going away. And for these fakers, I'll do $3. Okay, and then we've got 3 different pairs of sterling silver IPS pearl earrings. I'll show you the first pair. Lovely freshwater purple pearl earrings. Lovely. These are just beautiful. And they have more of an elongated shape. So for these, we'll do 12. Then we have the fantastic teal color. Look at those. Aren't they fantastic? Same brand. We'll do those for 12. And then we have the basic light peachy, maybe light pink, sterling silver. They have been tested. Beautiful freshwater pearl earrings, and we'll do 12 on those. So let me know what is your favorite piece. I was heartbroken about this. My favorite, I have to say, is this gorgeous adjustable necklace. It's just a fantastic piece. And I think you could wear this any time of year. And then I would have to say, yes, I always love pearls, but I think these earrings are fun. So leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite item is. And if you are interested in any of these items, email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. All the information is right down there. And it tells you how to get a hold of me. All right, you guys, have a great day. And thank you so much. Be well. Take care of each other. Bye.